Hey guys, my name is Jay and I'm with Jay Creating Wealth, and today I just want to take a few minutes just to share with you an opportunity that I actually stumbled upon the other day. Right now I've got all my stuff set up, so basically I'm ready to get the ball rolling. But anyway, what it is, this opportunity, there is a cost to join. There's a $25 one-time payment for you to join. All right, but what you get for your $25 is you're going to get, basically, they're giving you 10 signups and straight into your PayPal account. So I'm gonna explain to you how that works in just a moment. But you'll also be getting a website to promote. You'll be getting training videos on, how to promote. They're going to tell you where to promote. You're going to get marketing materials. And you're going to get some software tools to help you earn even more. And then you're going to automatically, when you pay the $25 to join, you're automatically going to be entered into the Rotator, our Rotator. And that's how you get your 10 signups. But let me explain to you what a Rotator is for those that don't know what a Rotator is. Basically, what a Rotator does, it rotates members' links. So when someone pays $25 to join, if your link is up next, then you automatically get that $25 payment into your PayPal account without you having to do anything. I think this is a perfect opportunity for, those that are struggling out here and having a hard time, or if you just want to earn some extra income. And just to let you know, the way they're driving the traffic for you to get those automatic signups, okay? They are driving the traffic for you, and they're using, could be using ads, could be social media marketing, YouTube videos, solo ads, traffic sites. They are generating the traffic for you in order for you to get that 10 slots into the Rotator, or to get those 10 signups. And like I said, that $25 gives you 10 slots into that Rotator without you having to do anything. So, but if you want to earn even more money, because you only get 10 slots into the Rotator, so it is capped off. So if you want to earn more money, you can become an affiliate and earn unlimited income with this program. And you'll also be added into our Facebook group as well. Right now, like I said, this thing is relatively new. It's fresh out the box, fresh on the market. So I think right now is the perfect time for you guys to jump on board, because there's not a lot of people in it and it's not saturated. So that's the reason why I jumped on it, because it's not saturated. I wanted something that wouldn't be saturated with a whole lot of people, and this was the perfect thing. So anyway, guys, when you become an affiliate, like I said, you can promote your own link and earn, even more money. So if you're interested in this opportunity and you think it's a good fit for you, go ahead and reach out to me. Send me a personal message, whatever you need to do, and let's get you on board to start making this extra income. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys taking the time to listen, and I will see you next. All right, take care, guys.